Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new electric pressure washer. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. User manual for it. It's part of the hose for it, I believe. If you want to use it for like your car. Some of the attachment for it. The actual sprayer. Alright, now let's look at the actual pressure washer itself. Check it out. Very, very cool. See, pretty long, so that way you can just carry wherever you want. We'll go ahead and start actually assembling it up, but as you can see, this will probably go some rip here. Some more attachments for the how much pressure you actually want. So let's go ahead and actually set it up and test it out. So for this one, we're just going to put this right in here, and it does have an actual spot for it, so it will lock in place. There we go. All right, and there it is, locked in place. Very, very cool. Now we'll go ahead and actually install this one. Go. Line that up. There we go. Perfect. Let's go ahead and snap these on. Just like that. Put that one like so. All right, and then the last couple spots, this goes right here, and the others go in the back, which I'll show you here in a second once it's all done. All right, so that's all the screws. It's all assembled, ready to go. Now we just have to actually hook this up to it. What's cool about this is you can attach all the pressure attachments right here. So that way they're always accessible. So I'm just going to put them there now. All right, so that way, that's what it'll look like. Then we'll kind of test some of them out. I'm going to put this one on here. We're going to go ahead and push this down, put our attachment that locks it in place. One side will go right down here. As you can see, that clicks right into place. Then the other side will plug in right up there. All right, so now let's actually hook it up to the hose and just test it out. All right, so we got the water running. It's hooked up. Let's try it out. All right, let's try the different attachment. Let's go ahead and try out this one. Very, very cool. As you can see, it's got some power to it. So if you guys want to use this for washing cars, clean your windows, we'll even try it here on the concrete just to see how it works. As a matter of fact, let's try a different one. Okay. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. If you guys are looking for a new electric pressure washer, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.